Ready, 3, 2, 1, start. Political rhetoric, notwithstanding, local governments have always been an aberration in Pakistan. Full stop. Half-hearted attempts to decentralize governance through the transfer of financial, administrative, and political authority to the LGs have been marred mostly by political parties' strong aversion to sharing power with local public representatives and the bureaucracy's hunger to retain its unchallenged hold over decision making and resources. Full stop. New paragraph. This is all too evident in the checkered history of Pakistan's third tier of government. Full stop. The tendency to unashamedly undermine local democracy in favor of centralized governance at both the provincial and federal levels has become an ubiquitous part of our political culture and exposes the ruling politicians' reluctance to organize local elections unless forced to do so by the courts. Full stop. Even when they agree to the elections, they do not devolve powers to this tier. Full stop. New paragraph. Unfortunately, Prime Minister Imran Khan, who often spoke in support of decentralizing powers while in opposition, has been unable to promote governance through local representatives. Full stop. The unlawful dismissal 2 years ago of LGs in Punjab by the provincial government that has resorted to legal technicalities to avoid reinstating them in defiance of a Supreme Court judgment reveals the leadership's weak commitment to local democracy. Full stop. Many believe that the present dispensation would rather wait out the term of the LGs controlled mostly by the PMLN, its arch rival in Punjab, than revive them. Full stop. The concern is understandable as the PMLN can generate enough noise against the PTI administration at the local level and hurt its chances in the next local elections, providing the LGs are reinstated. Full stop. The situation in Sindh is not much different. Full stop. New paragraph. The PPP doesn't seem to be in a mood to organize local polls in the province even after the expiry of the tenure of the previous LGs almost a year back. Full stop. Instead, if media reports are to be believed, it is trying to manage a city like Karachi through PPP loyalist Murtaza Wahab Siddiqui by vesting in the unelected provincial advisor powers on behalf of the Sindh government. Full stop. This action ill behoves a party that had led the effort to amend the constitution to make the provinces more autonomous politically, fiscally, and administratively. Full stop.